Hello YouTube, Bushcraft Woods Devil here. Just on a little camp out this weekend. Got a little rain last night, probably started raining about midnight. Rained pretty hard for about an hour, mostly dry, but it had a little bit of trickle inside the tent. I'm not sure where it came in, but I still had a really nice night, very warm. Kept my firewood covered so that I would have dry wood in the morning, and made a nice big breakfast. And right now I'm making some camp bread. Made some char cloth earlier in an Altoids tin. It's japanned now. It was all the bright colors before, and can't do this one-handed. There we go. So I'm going to test this char cloth out later. It's made out of worn out dishcloth, which I've had really good experiences with. See how my bread's doing. I don't want to burn it. Looking pretty good. Not too bad. Oh no. Oh yeah. It's getting there. A little spongy still, but overall not too bad. Just let it sit on these coals for a while. Yeah, so just having a nice relaxing weekend. Made some camp coffee, sweetened it with some honey from my good friend Matt. Got my fire started this morning with some pine pitch from my friend Nate, and yeah, it's turning into a really nice nice day. Still got clouds and chance of rain. I had a little bit of sprinkle this morning when I got up, and I just put my poncho on and cooked breakfast anyway. So anyway, just thought I'd share that with you. If you go to my Facebook page, Bushcraft Woods Devil, I'll have some pics up from the camp out. And we'll check you later. Take care. Bye.